Hey everybody, I just wanted to say hey, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Right now I'm doing a recap on a video that I did a couple days ago. If you look on my timeline on my channel, there's a video about a shed and on a big property that I'm overlooking right now for my brother here in Florida. And to tell you the short version of it is I'm here to clean the shed, organize it. He's going to get a big dumpster to come out here and pick everything up out of this big old shed, which you'll see in the other videos if you go back and watch. But I will be showing you the shed today as well, but not as descriptive as I did in the other video. So there is a camper that is sitting on this property that he had picked up cheap, obviously. And I just wanted to welcome you to this video because I'm about to start the tour of the inside of this trailer. And I'm going to probably make my way into it for a month or 2 months while I take care of this shed and the dumpster and all this other stuff. So it's just best that I'm out here and I'm working my new job, and then I will come back and do some of the shed and then clean up and be able to rest instead of driving other places. So it's just more sensible for me to stay out here than it is where I'm located right now. So all right, so we're going to go and we're going to watch what I'm about to record. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And here we go. Well, I'm back again. That was kind of like a short visit. That's one of the storage things open. So we finally got this thing open. And I'm pretty much testing out my internet and, my reception out here. So it's kind of funny. I open up some of the compartments and there's a spare tire in there. And my brother goes, "Oh, hell, I could have used that on the highway because I got a flat on the way and it cost me $1 million. I hardly kept a straight face. Poor thing. Anyway, so this is the shed, like I was telling you guys. This is the RV. By the way, it's like 32 foot. That's what he said, 32 foot. And everything, it needs work. Yeah, it needs work. Like here, doesn't have a screen. That's replaceable. I can definitely do that. He hasn't hooked it up to see if the AC works. He has no idea. He said it was just such a good buy that he just hired somebody to hook it up and drive it down here to Florida, and that's what he did. So I'm kind of like in charge of everything. He says, "Oh, it's all yours. It's all yours." I was like, I kind of had a dream of that last night. Storage, I already looked in there. That's where we found the tire. And then on this side, needs a screen in there, which is replaceable. I can definitely do that. I have a whole roll of screen. And the reason why I do is because I was pre-making a screen with magnets for my sunroof on my van. And that one needs a screen. It's in decent shape. Has an awning, but of course I won't be using that because right by the door is woods. Yeah, talking about mosquitoes, right? Yeah, you know what I'm going to be spraying. Has clips outside. Has a plug outside. Has a hook for, I don't know what that is. But yeah, it's in decent shape. What is this? This is landing gear control system. And by the way, it really doesn't look even. I asked him, I said, did you have this thing leveled before you let them drop this thing? You know, after you drop this thing, did you level it? And he goes, I don't know. They just drove it in here. And so I look at it, and it really does look sideways. You guys see it straight. I don't see it straight. But yeah, let me show you the inside. Get the key ready. And of course, this is the 4 o'clock sun. So that right there is the bedroom. All right, so this is how he told me to do it. Right, left, right, open. Which I couldn't figure out yesterday. But the screen on this looks really good. He told me to rip out all the carpet because it has hardwood floors underneath it. Slide outs. Monitor. AC unit. Hi. I got my good shirt on today. Yosemite Sam. Yeah. Anywho. So once the slides are out, it'll look bigger, of course. But it has 2 double sink, triple burner, microwave, which of course I am not running that. The refrigerator, which I'm not running that. I have my own. And this right here will be a slide out, so all this will have more room. But for right now, this has a screen, thank God. It has a cute little closet. A place for the TV. More storage. More storage. More storage. Screen. At least it has a curtain. I guess that's where the lighting was, or maybe a TV. Who knows? Yeah, so I'm going to be cleaning this up. It has no handles on any of the drawers. It has the socket right there. And a socket right there. A socket right there. So I got plenty of outlets. I got a, it turns on like that. I got storage up here. And then, that was back there, was one bedroom. Over here is another bedroom and the bathroom. And it's 2 steps. Huh. That's a crank. Fantastic fan. Closet. Window. Here's the sink. This really isn't half bad. Toilet. Huh, no shower. Or wait, I have to look behind me. Duh. Behind me, there's the shower. Of course, I gotta unlock that. Why is it? Okay. That is not a fantastic van. That sucks. That's probably what that's supposed to be, but I think that should be over here. Close that up. And it does have a privacy curtain. That's good. Oops, maybe I just undid one of those. I'll deal with that later. Has a hook on each side. It's not really half bad either, and it has speakers in here, so obviously it has some kind of system in here. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Has a fan. Oh, there's the carbon monoxide and fire detector. And I do have a I do have a car size fire extinguisher, which I've fortunately never had to use. So yeah, I got all kinds of storage in here. And really nice blinds here in the kitchen. Yeah, it's nice. But it'll be nicer when it has power so I can put the slides out and actually see what it really looks like. Oh, it even has cabinets right here. Has like a corner cabinet right here. Thank God nothing jumped out at me. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to take you for a tour of the RV. And hold on, let me lock this. Yep, and it's locked. And he only has one key. That's bad. So maybe I'll keep one of the windows not screened and always closed. He said he's going to bring me a ladder. So yeah, it's nice. It's a nice RV, but I prefer drivable. I don't like having the extra of the insurance and extra wheels and extra AC. And of course, as you can tell, that as you can tell, he already had a problem with the tire on the way here. So, and I got lighting right above me, which actually works too. Hold on, let me put you back in correctly. All right. So I'm gonna have to put you down here in a second. There we go. Hey, no hands. Hey, Mom, no hands. Look, Mom, no hands. So, okay, how the hell do you close it? Oh, shit. That ain't good either. Are you freaking serious? Okay, let's just put that in there and call it a day. Not my problem. Not my monkey, not my problem. All right, guys, I've taken enough of your time. I will edit this, and probably by the time you watch this, I'll probably already have it edited. Definitely a challenge, but definitely looking forward to the challenge, as this is called the Challenger by Keystone. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, and like I said, until I get power on this thing, I'm not moving forward with any of my stuff. I'm not moving anything in there. I'm not going to clean it until I got power. And I probably will not use the bathroom in here. I will probably use the one in the house, because that's just one less thing he's got to worry about, trying to empty and dump and blah, blah, blah. So, and the water source, that's easy. That's the easy part. I'm a minimalist. I'm a nomad. I know how to live without that. So, thank you so much, you guys, for joining me and hanging out with me. I appreciate it. And if you guys are watching the replay, push #replay. All right, until the next video. Let me know what you think below, by the way. Yeah, so until next video, ciao for now.